one of our top stories once again. Politics has ensued over the extension of tenure of ED and CBI chiefs. On Sunday, the centre brought two ordinances which said that the tenure of CBI and ED chiefs may be extended by up to 3 years after their 2-year terms end. The opposition slammed the move, calling it a mockery of the parliament, and asked why the government could not wait till the winter session. The ordinance comes just days before the extended tenure of ED director is about to end. Earlier, the Supreme Court had said that extension of officers about to retire should only be done in emergency cases.
14 दिन बाद संसद बैठने वाली थी। क्या इस पर चर्चा नहीं हो सकती थी? अब क्या चाहते हैं? सब कुछ खत्म कर दें? मेरी मर्जी। राजा एक दिन सुबह उठे, उन्होंने तय किया कि अब ये ऐसे होगा, 2 साल के बदले 5 साल का एक्सटेंशन होगा। ऑर्डिनेंस तो आप ऐसे लाते हैं कि फैक्ट्री बन के रह गए आप ऑर्डिनेंस की। थोड़ी चिंता तो देश की होनी चाहिए, संस्थाओं की होनी चाहिए। सारी संस्थाओं का आपने कत्ल करके रख दिया।
NDA government changing the tenure of the offices of directors of ED and CBI without taking opposition into confidence, without any discussion in this regard, is an act of high-handedness. Even otherwise, both CBI and ED are subject to severe criticism by the people of this country, including the opposition, with regard to their abuse. There are allegations against NDA government that both these agencies are being used to subserve the orders of their political bosses rather than follow strictly the principles of law and justice.
Joined by my colleague Bhavtosh Singh on this. Bhavtosh, we've seen that there's always been some sort of a row over the tenure, or over CBI and ED directors. But in this case, it's a question of the tenure, which has become a contentious issue now, with centre taking the ordinance move and opposition questioning it.
Yes, in fact, right from the time when this ordinance became public, and there are all political parties have in fact questioned why the government has brought this ordinance when within 14 days Parliament winter session will start. Now, the question that everyone is asking, why this ordinance has been brought in the first place itself. Now, many are saying that Director of Enforcement Directorate, S.K. Mishra, would have retired this week. His tenure gets over on 19th of November. Now, remember that Supreme Court, while rejecting a petition that has questioned that S.K. Mishra was given 1-year extension over and above his 2 years fixed posting, he has specifically said that under no circumstances S.K. Mishra should be given a further extension. Many are saying that to circumvent that, that is probably the reason why this ordinance has been brought in the first place. Now, the ordinance makes it very clear that the government has passed to extend the post of Director of CBI and Director of Enforcement Directorate up to 5 years, and this will be for 1 year, and that can go on till 5 years. Now, they are saying that the Director of CBI and Director of ED will become puppets in the hand of the government. And for every move that CBI and ED takes, people do question the moves that ED and CBI take. They question the raids and searches that ED and CBI carries out, and also the arrests they make. Now, this ordinance, in fact, many are saying, makes the chiefs of these agencies virtually puppets in the hand of the government.
Exactly. Bhavtosh there, thank you so much for joining us with that.